Hello, my name is Jason Lahada, and welcome to the FAL Crypto Minute, your number one source for educational crypto content in under around 10 minutes. Today is Wednesday, October 12th, 2022, and on today's show, we'll be going over the top 10 cryptos of the day, as well as over 100 million stolen from DeFi Protocol Mango markets, and SEC rejects WisdomTree's spot Bitcoin ETF. All that and more on today's episode of the FAL Crypto Minute. But before we get into anything else, let's go over these top 10 cryptos for the day. At number 1, we have Bitcoin at $19,147, up 0.41%. At number 2, we have Ethereum at $1,294, up 1.10%. At number 3, we have Tether. At number 4 is USDC. At number 5 is BNB at $270, down 0.37%. At number 6 is XRP at 48 cents, up 0.49%. At number 7 is Binance USD. At number 8 is Cardano at 38 cents, down 2.58%. At number 9 is Solana at $31, up 1.14%. And at number 10, we have Dogecoin at 59 cents, down 0.47%. And that was your top 10 cryptos for the day. Moving into our first story, over 100 million stolen from DeFi Protocol Mango markets. DeFi Protocol Mango markets is the latest crypto project to be hacked for $100 million due to an error. Mango markets announced via Twitter, stating that the malicious actor was able to access the funds through an Oracle price manipulation. This is the second DeFi protocol in a week where $100 million was stolen, as last Thursday the Binance Smart Chain was halted after being drained of millions in users' funds. The attacker temporarily inflated the price of their collateral and then took loans from the Mango treasury, according to blockchain auditing company OtterSec. Mango is a decentralized crypto exchange, DEX, built on the Solana blockchain that allows users to take loans and execute spot trades. Its self-covered Mango DAO runs the Mango Market Network. Mango confirmed the exploit in a tweet on Tuesday, stating that it was investigating an incident where a hacker was able to drain funds from Mango via an Oracle price manipulation. At 6:19 p.m., an attacker funded account A with 5 million USDC collateral, the head of derivatives at Genesis Global Trading, Joshua Lim, tweeted. Lim explained that the hacker then went on to offer 483 million units of MNGO perps perpetual contracts on the Mango Markets order book. Then, at 6:24 p.m., they would fund another account with 5 million USDC collateral to buy their own 483 million MNGO perps at a price of 0.03 cents per unit. At 6:26 p.m., the attacker began to move the Mango spot price market, driving the price to 91 cents and the value of their 483 MNGO to go to $423 million. Finally, the malicious actor took a $116 million loan, leaving the balance at negative $116.7 million. In response, Mango markets were forced to stop all deposits and started the process of freezing the third-party funds. Mango said it was taking steps to have third parties freeze funds in flight and disabling deposits on the front end as a precaution. This story is ongoing but continues the narrative that DeFi protocols are risky investments. While some tout the virtues of self-governance, stories like these reinforce people's preconceived notions of the space. Moving into our next story, the SEC rejects WisdomTree's spot Bitcoin ETF. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has rejected the WisdomTree Bitcoin Trust ETF, and it has no valid measure to protect investors against market manipulation. The SEC, in an October 11th release, noted that it had to reject the filing by BZX Exchange as the Bitcoin ETF issuer does not have a significant surveillance sharing agreement with a regulated market for Bitcoin. A surveillance sharing agreement allows market participants to easily share market trading and clearing activists and customer identity in the event of any price manipulation of BTC. According to the SEC, the surveillance agreement is crucial before it can approve any spot Bitcoin ETF, given that the market for Bitcoin is highly unregulated. The first WisdomTree spot Bitcoin ETF was also rejected in December 2021 on the grounds of investor protection. The SEC's decision to reject the WisdomTree's ETF application is no surprise to many, as the U.S. regulator has a long-standing history against Bitcoin spot ETFs. The Winklevoss twins were the first to ever attempt to file a Bitcoin ETF in July of 2013. However, the SEC rejected their application in March of 2017. The Van Eck Solidex ETF followed suit in July of 2013 but faced its rejection in January of 2019. In 2017, ProShares, Direxon, and Granite Shares attempted to have their respective applications approved, but the SEC hit the rejection dial. Bitwise, Wilshire, and Bit and Reality Shares ETF all had a rejection of applications they made in 2019. By the mid-2020s, WisdomTree submitted its first application, which the SEC rejected about a year later. Van Eck refiled its application in January of 2021, while Fidelity, NYDIG, and Grayscale all filed Bitcoin ETFs in the same period. Van Eck's application was rejected in November of 2021. So far in 2022, the SEC has rejected applications by Grayscale, Bitwise, and the latest, WisdomTree. The glowing list of rejected spot Bitcoin ETF applications has been influenced by SEC Chair Gary Gensler. Gensler has expressed his preference for future ETFs, stating that spot ETFs are more prone to fraud and manipulation. And that'll do it for us today. Thank you guys for tuning in. You can follow me on Twitter over at crypto_Lahara. That's crypto_LAJARA. You can follow the official FAL Crypto Consultants Twitter over at CryptoFAL. That's crypto FAL. FAL is a one-stop shop for all your cryptocurrency needs, from answering questions for new people to bigger institutional clients. We're there for you. Regardless if you're a small business or a bank, we'll make sure to take a tailored approach to all your needs. Our team houses specialists in all areas of cryptocurrencies, from mining, trading, creating NFTs, DAOs, staking and lending questions to general market research. Go to cryptofal.com to learn more. Once again, my name is Jason Lahana, and I'll talk to you later.